Now we push auto. You can hear the compressor kick on. Of course, it feels fresh right now. AC's on, but there's no cold. So there's no cold. You can hear the compressor engaging. I read online that there's a module on the dash side over there. So I read online that there's a module on the dash side over there. I'm gonna check that out right now, and I'm gonna swap that out because I have an extra one laying around. Let's see if that fixes our issue and gets us cold air, because right now we've changed the compressor, we've done a few things, expansion valve, recharge, vacuum and recharge, and we're still getting no cold air. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so this is the module right here. This one right here. This is the plug. So this is the module on the parts car. We're gonna go ahead and swap it out, try it out. Fingers crossed it works. Let's go ahead and take it off. Okay, so I was actually able to fit, it's a 7mm after all. And now I'm gonna get this ratchet from under here. Go ahead and begin to break it loose. So there's another 7mm on the bottom right corner as well. So there's two of them holding on to this. If I can get it. Okay, there you stop. Right there. Kind of something like that. Okay, so once you take it off, there's another plug in the back. And then you have to remove right there, if you can see that. So let me go ahead and remove that. So it has this one on top and it has this one on the side, but the bolts are right here and right here. Okay. Alright, so this is what it's going to normally look like with the door, everything in place. Got this plastic right here. I've got this bottom cover under here that you got to take off. Once that's off, you should be able to access it through there. Something like this, kind of. Pop this piece off. Yeah, I could probably get it through here, but it'll be a little bit easier if I take off this plastic. And let me see what I gotta do to take it off. I think it should just pop off. Yep. It looks like it just pops off. Oopsie. Okay, so you can access this lower one right here. No, and then the other videos, I want to say they say take off the glove box. So that's why I was like, nah, I'd rather just lay like this real quick. A little awkward position, but I'm comfortable, I'll tell you that. But what's crazy is I haven't seen no videos, nothing.
Makes sense, because that one controls that.
Yeah, because the compressor's kicking on and everything else is working fine.
But lo que no makes sense why they did it that way.
Yeah, I know.
That's what it is.
Could just put it in the fuse box and that's it. Push down on this tab right here. Okay, this is the one. Pass me this one. Let's see. Gotta find the side with the side. Literally. This side. Oh, nope, this ain't it. That ain't good. Something like that. All right, moment of truth. Let's try it out. Okay, so let's try this. Compressor on. Yeah, but you can actually hear it.
Yeah, hear different. Sound
See.
different.
Oh yeah, right away. Cold. All because of, what is it?
Ta-da!
All because of Honda. So if you have this issue, you're gonna get yourself one of these. But first, of course, change the compressor, the expansion valve, everything first. Okay?
Like we did.
Yeah. If not, that is crazy. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and install this back, put the screws on, and call it a day.